Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and appliances to give you the lowdown on whether they're worth your hard-earned cash. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Beko Expertfry Dual Zone Air Fryer FRL5388. Let's see if this air fryer really lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about design and features. The Beko Expertfry is a dual-zone air fryer, which means it comes with 2 drawers, giving you the flexibility to cook different foods simultaneously. With an impressive 8.5-liter capacity spread over the 2 compartments, it's perfect for cooking up a storm for friends and family. Now, what sets this air fryer apart are the extras it comes with. Not only do you get the standard crisper plates for air frying, but Beko also throws in some handy accessories. We're talking skewers for grilling, complete with 5 skewers, and a multi-tier rack for versatile cooking options. So whether you're air frying, grilling, or dehydrating, this air fryer has got you covered. But how easy is it to use? Well, I'll be honest, the control panel might seem a bit overwhelming at first glance. But once you get the hang of it, navigating through the different cooking modes becomes second nature. From air frying to grilling to even baking, this air fryer offers a variety of cooking options to suit your needs. Now, let's talk performance. I put the Beko Expertfry through its paces, testing it with a range of dishes from chips to sausages to hash browns. And I have to say, I was pretty impressed. The air fryer delivered evenly cooked food with a nice crispy exterior. Although I did notice that it struggled a bit to achieve that extra crunch with the hash browns due to its maximum temperature of 200 degrees Celsius. So, should you buy the Beko Expertfry Dual Zone Air Fryer FRL5388? Well, if you're looking for an affordable air fryer that offers good results and comes with a bunch of handy extras, then this could be the one for you. Just keep in mind that if you're after the crispiest results possible, you might want to consider a model with a higher maximum temperature. Overall, though, I'd say this air fryer offers great value for money. And that's a wrap on our review of the Beko Expertfry Dual Zone Air Fryer FRL5388. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.